Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about something which is called men may protect you in this physical realm, but only a woman can protect you in the spiritual world. Yes, and if it triggers you, let it. Physical realm means this one, the world we are living in right now, the 3D. Here, masculine energy dominates. Masculine energy is here to protect us, it's here to fight wars for us, it's here to build empires, it's here to provide, it's here to nurture, and it's here to give everything to us. So, majorly, masculine energy dominates. But when it comes to the spiritual world, the world of unknown, the world of compassion, the world of mysteries, the world of protection, the world of unseen, only a woman can protect you. When it comes to creativity, when it comes to nurturing, when it comes to intuition, when it comes to emotions, emotional intelligence, only women can protect you. And I firmly believe this. Because think of it, who do you turn to when you are emotionally not very stable, on when you feel anxious, when you do not feel okay inside? It's majorly a woman. Like I will preferably turn to a woman, talking about my perspective. And majority of the people do turn to a woman. Rationally speaking, women are generally empathetic, intuitive by nature. Think of it. Women acts as the doorway between the eternal and the ethereal. Woman's body becomes a temple. It gives birth to another soul. It gives space to another soul to live in it for 9 months and then brings another soul from another realm to this world. So that's the power of a female. That's how protective, how nurturing, how giving, how empathetic a female is. Even talking about certain studies, females are ranked higher than males in emotional intelligence, in empathy, in compassion, and in other things. So, makes sense. You cannot say it's only an old tradition. Even talking about the older traditions, even Shiva is nothing without Shakti. Shiva without Shakti is stillness, it's dormant. Even the nurturing things, the moon, the earth, are all denoted as females. Why? Why not male? Why moon is not a male? Talking about spirituality, astrology, moon should be a male. No. Because moon is emotions, moon is intuition, moon is empathy. So it's talking about earth. Earth is fertile, earth is giving. It's a female. So having a female and a spiritually awakened female in your life will help you in many ways. If you do not had any female around you, or this world was only full of men, the logic would have become coldness, discipline would have become control, and the ambition that would have become destruction. The female energy or the feminine energy, I'm not saying it's only a female. Men also possess feminine energies. It can be a mother, teacher, friend, even you. The female energy never tries to tame your demons. She will sit with your demons. She will never try to pull you out of your darkness. She will just throw light upon it, consciously, subconsciously, unconsciously. And it will be so effortless that won't even realize. Just the presence of that energy in your life, that female in your life, will do wonders. And it does. And it does. Like you go out, have a hectic day, when you come home, just see your mother's face, everything lights up, everything brights up, things become so like brighter. That's how powerful it is. It's not like men cannot do it, but men will try to do it in a structured way. They will try to be solution based. They will never sit with you and just listen to you. That's not how men operate. That's not how men operate. A female will tell you, even if you are not feeling good, that you are okay, and it's okay to be who you are. Even if you are 10% of your full potential, she will still tell you that you are still the whole. Your 10% is also the whole. So that's how feminine energy affects you. So this is how I feel feminine energy is important in your life. And in my life also, I respect all the feminine people in my life, my mother, my friends. They just light up my world like nobody else. A man could never. No matter how much men I have in my life, but I still need at least one woman in my life if I need to grow up, if I need to be at peace internally. So that's what I meant. And let me know if you think something differently. This is what I read today, and I thought of sharing it with you all. That feminine energy is very powerful. It like boosts you up. It takes you from the rock bottom and it uplifts you like nothing. And you won't even realize how it happened. It will just flow. It will never try to control you. It will let you flow. It will let your emotions flow. It will let yourself flow. And you will just feel so calm and so peaceful in just flowing. She will not try to control anything. She will not try to tame anything. She will not try to destroy anything. She will just let things flow. She will just create a space for things to flow. She will just create a space for you to share, to express, and you will feel at a different level. So, yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I fumbled a lot because it was a sensitive topic, but whatever, I'll crop that out. By the way, thank you for listening. Bye bye.